Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. So the first ingredient you will need is white glue. I'm using this one. And second thing you will need is some Gain or Tide. I'm using Gain first. And laundry detergent. And the last thing, I'm going to be making a flip slime. So shaving cream. So, and you would need a bowl or plate to make slime in. I don't know why people say plate, but okay, let's get it. And a spoon to mix it. So, I'm going to be making a big slime. It's good. And add Gain Tide laundry detergent. Then I'm going to get some food coloring. So I'm gonna pause it. No, oh, I can't pause it. Never mind. I'm just gonna get my food coloring. Sorry. Food coloring. Okay. Any color is fine. You gotta be kidding me. Why do they put it like that? Okay. Yellow. Pretty dark. Really dark. Sorry. Okay. Don't know where the cap is. It's the yellow. But oh, look how cool that is. The little like tree things are okay. Here's start mixing.
Okay. We need batteries. Double A, triple A's. Double A's. Nice.
Okay, I'm going to add some shaving foam now. Mix it. Pretty good. And as you guys could see, there was a bubble. Yeah. I think I didn't see it, but yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay, I'm going to add some more. Okay. As you can see, starting to form. Really good. Add more. And also your activator is also the thing that mostly keeps it not so sticky too. So it is good. Starting to work a little bit, not that much, but I hope it works. As what this time? Sorry guys, I'm adding too much because it's not working, and I want it to. Oh, there we go. It's starting to work really good. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, now keep like mixing. So you can see it's starting to work. Just keep mixing so those little lines stuff are not there, and it starts to work. Start filling. Yeah. In a couple of videos, I'm going to do a face review. If you guys like this video, I will do a face review. If we go to 22,000 likes, then I will have a face reveal and in a couple of videos. So yeah. subscribe, and I'll make a lot more slime videos. Okay, as you guys can see, it's working really well. Yeah. Okay, do you guys not want me to talk anymore? I don't think you guys want me to talk anymore. I'm just not gonna talk. Unless it's something important that I need to, guys. There we go. This one's this one. And you have to add little by little of Gain, or Tide, or any kind of laundry detergent. Little by little, your activator, because if you reactivate it, then it won't work and it'll get too like watery and hard and stuff. It won't work. So yeah, stop talking now. Okay, I'm just going to end the video right now, but I'm not going to end it. I'm just going to show you another slime that I made with the same exact ingredients and show you how it actually turned out. So let's go over here. Let's go over here. Oh, this one will work. It's going to be a big slime. Okay, come on. Don't. Okay. So this is how it turns out. This rag. Do the rag. This is the one that my sister made. Not really good. But she's somewhere else, so I don't know where she is. Hers, don't really like that one, but I do like this one. Because mine has more. Okay, comment down below what one do you guys want of this. I mean, comment down below what one do you like more. Mine or my sister's. I definitely really like this one with the glitter and stuff. I'm not really a glitter girl. Getting mixed up with my words. Sorry. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Bye!